Okay, today we're... This time... Set it down. This time me and Jacob are going to look for the mysterious killing dog. Okay. There's nothing unusual yet, is there, Jake?
No.
Except for my finger.
Except by a scratchy hide. Except by a scratchy hide.
Yep. Oh my God, there it is! Pick it up. Pick it up. Take it to the car.
Quit wobbling like a noodle. Mysterious doggy.
Oh my God, look at it. It looks like Jesus. But he doesn't have a cross on him. Oh, look
Hey,
at him.
doggy. Oh. Help me!
Oh no, it's using its venom on me. Oh no, Jacob. Here, I'll get it. Ah! Ah! Oh my God! It's going inside. Ah! Oh no! Mugs! Ah! It's a mysterious killing dog. I'm still yet alive. Somehow. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Take the camera. No, this is a.
I'll save you.
No, get away. Oh no, no. I see it in your eyes. No, no, no.
Hey! There's your disturbing look and your attitude. You won't win, you dirty nuts. Oh!
Let's stop. Lucky, Lucky.
Licking him to death. Come here, you foul beast. Oh God, don't.
Now it's your turn, Jacob.
What?
Your turn to face my wrath of my stabbies. Oh. That's not stabby. Ooh, yummy.
Dun dun dun.